How do I unarchive a message on Messenger?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to guide you on how to unarchive a message on Facebook Messenger. If you have archived some messages and are now unsure about how to get them back into your inbox, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in.
What is archiving?
First, let's talk about what archiving is. Archiving is a feature on Facebook Messenger that allows you to hide a conversation from your inbox without deleting it. This is useful when you want to clean up your inbox without losing any important messages. The best part? You can always bring them back whenever you want, and that's what we're going to discuss next.
How to access archived messages?
To unarchive a message, you need to first access your archived messages. Here's how you can do this. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger app on your device. 2. Tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner on Android or top right corner on iOS of the screen. 3. Now, you will see the Archived option. Click on it, and it will show you all your archived conversations.
How to unarchive a message?
Now, let's proceed with the steps to unarchive a message. 1. From the Archived Chats screen, choose the conversation that you want to unarchive. 2. Once the conversation is opened, you can unarchive it by simply sending a message to that person. This will automatically move it back to your Messenger inbox. And there you have it. Now you know how to unarchive a message on Facebook Messenger. It's as simple as accessing your archived messages and then sending a new message within the conversation you want to unarchive. Hopefully, this tutorial has been helpful, and remember, you can always control how your Messenger inbox looks by archiving and unarchiving messages. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.